Hey there, welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1955 Bel Air. Decoded the motor, 350 under here, no power steering. Very quiet motor. We're gonna be taking it down the road, trying to pick out any kind of flaws I can find. I want you to know everything about these cars before you make the trip down here. We sell all over the country. That's why I do these videos. I do appreciate y'all watching, so hit that subscribe button, and thanks for sharing my videos. Y'all been doing a great job of that, and I really do appreciate that. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Close to 100 detailed pictures. Wheels, tires, parts, accessories. And we do Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Check it all out. We've been having fun with it here lately, especially since it's nice out here. See all of our inventory, maplemotors.com. It's updated every Monday with new cars. Pretty much weekly we get about 10 cars. Just so happens last week we got 20. Sometimes it does like that. All right guys, it's about that time. You know what I'm about to say. Let's go for a ride. All right, just jumped off in the car, getting ready to take off down the road. Go ahead and place your bets. You think the horn works on this one? We're gonna be taking her down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws. You know the scoop. Let's start her up. Only thing about these cars, this is always so low. If you lean this way, knock your head. Same thing with the hood. Something that I've always known about these classics, working on them. The 55s, 56 models. Showing 48,000 miles. Let's try these wipers. The 56 that I just posted earlier, okay, there we go. Wipers do work. I was gonna say the switch was out on them too, but this one working. We got a little button down there. I'm assuming that may be our horn, but we'll try up here. You ready? Before I push that button, I'm gonna cut this off and put it on the awning position, just to make sure it's the horn. It's the horn. I didn't want to start it or have it started and that be a push button. And grinders all, your starter's all grinding and everything else. Blower motor is blowing. Radio, maybe. Oh, down here, the face to the radio's in my office, so. Oil pressure gauge is coming up. It's about 30. I've had this thing running for about 15 minutes because I got caught up with a customer and it never got over that temperature. Just sitting here running. Let's take off. Let's hit the road, see what she's about. All right, so when you get in these cars, duck your head pretty good. Like I said, you'll get a wake-up call. Oversized steering wheel. You know what that's for, don't you? Because there's no power steering. Well, we're definitely gonna have to stop at the gas station. It looks like I don't have any gas at the moment because the gas gauge is buried on the E. Say bye to Mr. Terry Mundy. Sounds like a sick whale. Hopefully we hit a red light so I can show you what this thing does. I'm going, guys. I'm going for it. Speedometer is coming up. Oh, we got a squeaky dash. Squeaking in different areas. I don't know. It's going straight as an arrow down the road. Slacking the steering for sure. Let's see if we got a kick down. No kick down on this one. I'll tell you what, I cannot wait until they finish this road. Turn signals, they're popping up on both sides on the dash here. Nobody's behind me. Let me hit these brakes. Felt bad. The guy was trying to turn. We'll try it again. Here we go. Brakes are working good. A little stiff. They're working good. Oh man. I'm gonna lose my sheet here. Everybody's out cruising their rides today. Oh, you did a little tire chirp. Okay, okay. Good deal. All right, I'm gonna pull up in here and get about $15 worth of fuel, and we're gonna hit the road. Ooh, lots of squeaks and squeals. We'll pull up in here and get some gas. We're gonna tell you about that gas gauge. Everything else is good to go. This car looks great. Putting a little fuel in it right now. I'm loving it. All right, as soon as I get done filling it up, I'll let you know what that gas gauge does. Good deal. Let's do this. So you see that gas gauge there? It's buried in the E. Do something. Somebody gonna say something about me smacking the dash. Didn't work. All right, got y'all up in the driver's seat here. We're gonna head on down the road. Sounds like the wind is doing a little vibrating here. There we go. coming up on that road that's got the speed bump in it, you can listen for rattle shakes and kind of get an idea on suspension. I'll point out the bump here. Right here. Here's a little bit of rattles going on. Steering column's a little squeaky. Well, we made it back to the lot. I hope y'all enjoyed that test drive. I got plenty more to do today. Thanks again, guys. So if you have any other questions, definitely check out maplemotors.com. I've got close to 100 detailed pictures of this car and every car on the car lot. You can also get financing and shipping information. It's all available on that website. Hey, please join us on all those social media aspects such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. We post a bunch of stuff all over those. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.